Good afternoon. Welcome to Travels with Sheila. Well, flight 1 is done. It was an Embraer from Chicago to Washington Dulles, and we're now sitting in the Dulles Club. Have 3 hours until our almost 6 p.m. flight to Frankfurt on a Dreamliner 10, 787-10. We're going to amuse ourselves by eating some roast beef and cheese sandwiches, eat some barbecue chips, drink a little vino, and then it's on to Frankfurt. You would not believe the amount of times that poor United has to check your documents, which for Croatia are substantial. I already told you about the amount of documents in the prequel. Well, they checked them in Chicago. They just had to check them again here in Washington, and I'm sure they're going to have to check them again in Frankfurt. But we're getting there. This is very exciting to finally get back to Europe, even though, technically speaking, Croatia's in the Balkans. It is part of the EU community. Let's keep on flying. This huge line for the Frankfurt flight is to have your documents checked. Fortunately, they checked ours in the United Club, so we don't have to wait in line. They have one of those new gate readers where you lower your mask. Well, this has certainly been a long time coming. Steve is across the aisle from me, and this is me right here. And look what we've got. My blanket. That is obviously the little amenity kit. We're back to amenity kits. And we're back to 2 pillows. Cute. I took apart my little amenity kit. It's a little backpacky thing. And everything's in red, white, and blue. All these little individual containers in the Sunday Riley pack. Hand cream, lip gloss, actually, lip balm, face cream, cleansing cloth. Now, I don't know the difference between a Dreamliner 9 or a 10, but there is the control, all the plugs, headset, lights, monitor, tray table pushes out and folds. Storage down there. There are no menus. You have a choice of guess what, short ribs, salmon, or the ravioli with cheese and spinach, and I took the ravioli with cheese and spinach. Seat controls. That's how you lower and raise the window by pressing that. And I've got on high. Little blue light there. That darkens it. That darkens it all the way. Another little light there. Our bottle of water is already here. The 787-10 has a different screen. I like that. It shows what to expect on today's flight. We're pushing back. This is our first long flight since we went to Turkey in October. And we're rolling. Croatia's business class service yet. As you can see, everything, your whole meal, including the nuts, and your salad, your entree, everything is served on one plate because they don't want no touchy, no touchy. The salad dressing, salad, roll butter. Now back to my favorite little hot fudge sundaes yet. A little cup of mango sorbet, a little TV dinner, and there it is. Like I said, not gracious dining, but it is food, and it's a lot better than the first overseas flight we took in October on Turkish Airlines, where everything was served in a little box, cold only, nothing hot. Shall I put it this way? I'm very glad that I had a sandwich in the club, even though the sandwich is not the world's best. I'm looking forward to really great food in Croatia. Well, at least United is laying out the snacks again on this 7.5-hour flight. I love the new screen. You can swipe through. You can tell we're over Ireland right now. They are serving breakfast, but I am not partaking since I just had dinner about 5 hours ago. If you're interested what they were serving for breakfast today, it was oatmeal, choice of oatmeal, or a small egg quiche. We're just leaving England behind and heading off over the English Channel. There is the coast of France. The captain already has begun his descent. We've been flying 38,000, 39,000 feet, and we're steadily dropping. But he has turned back to the airport. We're at 7,000 feet and still in cloud cover. Really heavy cloud cover. We're at 1,000 meters or 3,000 feet. We finally broke through at 800 meters. Does not look like a very nice day out there. I'm glad that we're going on to Croatia. We have less than 2 hours between flights. It's been a minimum of 1.5 years since we last transited or landed at the Frankfurt airport. Too long. And obviously it's raining. Landing. Wow. Meine Damen and Herren, welcome